Chat GPT's web browsing feature has been released, and I just literally, so to do that, what you need to do is click on your username, then settings, and then go to beta features and web browsing, and that's it. That's all you need to do. And then you create a new chat, then you select GPT-4 browsing, and boom, that's it. And then you can ask your questions. But we'll just go back to what I've been playing with before. So I've just asked it, what can you do with this browsing feature? And basically it says all this. I'm not gonna read it all out, but yeah. And then so we can say to it, show me some quick examples. Make sure whatever you write has something to do with puppies. How long is this gonna take? Oh, there we go. Recent news about puppies. Go on. I'm actually excited about this because like Auto GPT is something that I was excited about, in the sense that it can browse the internet to accomplish certain tasks. So basically we don't need Auto GPT to some extent anymore. However, we can still use something that ChatGPT doesn't have, is the ability right now anyway, is the ability to create multiple agents to accomplish certain tasks, like the one that we did earlier on the other day about programming, for example. Actually, I don't think I released that video, but yeah, about two AI bots communicating with each other just to create code for whatever project I was working on at that point. And I tried to test it, but it wasn't perfect. At the same time, it's just the whole idea of being able to do that, if that makes sense. Um, so I'm really excited for this feature, the web browsing feature, which, and especially with GPT-4 as well, which means that you get there's higher chances of getting more accurate information. Um, and especially for programming as well. I want to see what that can do. I have a little project that I was working on today as well, that I would love to use the browsing feature. I wasn't aware of the browsing feature, so I want to see what it's going to produce. Oh, what's going on here? Click failed. Where are you clicking to? CNN. What's CNN saying about this? Oh, puppies are born. Okay. For those of you who love puppies, let me put the full screen thing on, or whatever it is. Yeah, for those of you who love puppies, there you go. Um, so what else do we have? Experts training puppies. Puppy training. Okay, cool. Um, I guess this is it. Maybe what I'm going to do next, it's almost 5 minutes. I don't want to go past 5 minutes, but what I can do next is actually do some research, for lack of a better term, to use for a business using ChatGPT, and see what we can produce with it. But yeah, thanks for watching.